In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to access the assessments that are required at the end of a lesson. I'm going to begin with Module 1. Click here on O1, being a team player. We're going to access the very first lesson for today, which will be O1.01, Getting to Know You, Astra the Team Player. It's important to note the names of the lessons because that's going to correlate with the assessment at the end. When you're in your lesson, you're going to navigate through the pages at the top, either by clicking Next Page for the top right corner green arrow, or you can also use this drop-down menu to navigate from page 1 to 2, and so on. You're going to want to go through all of these pages and complete each of the parts that are listed. All of the instructions for what you need to do should be included, along with question words for anchor charts, things that might need to be printed, and linked activities so that your student is sure to master the content. When you get to the final page, you're going to see Lesson Wrap-Up. The very last part says Complete and Submit 1.01 Getting to Know You, Astra the Team Player Quiz. In order to find that quiz, you're going to need to come over to Assessments on the left-hand side. Click Assessments. You're going to see a list of assessments that your student will need to complete throughout Semester 1. They should be listed chronologically for you, but always note that the exam or quiz or assignment that you're completing is in fact the numbered exam or assignment for the lesson that you are working on. So this one would be 1.01, Getting to Know You. You're going to click on that. It will open up. And as you can see, it is a multiple choice quiz. And you can go ahead and take that quiz. And then at the end, you click Submit. Once you've done that, you have completed the lesson for 1.01.